Welcome to the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show, a dazzling celebration of nature's beauty and artistic creativity. Held annually in the heart of Melbourne, this iconic event is the Southern Hemisphere's largest and most prestigious flower and garden show. For over 25 years, this event has transformed the historic Royal Exhibition Building in Carlton Gardens into a floral wonderland, attracting gardening enthusiasts, floral designers, families, and nature lovers from across the globe. Set against the backdrop of the World Heritage-listed Carlton Gardens, the show is a harmonious blend of natural beauty and man-made artistry. The grounds come alive with stunning landscape designs, intricate floral arrangements, and immersive displays that spark inspiration for every visitor. At the heart of the show lies the Great Hall of Flowers, a treasure trove of creativity. Here, Australia's most talented florists and designers showcase breathtaking installations that push the boundaries of floral art. Each display tells a story, weaving together color, texture, and fragrance in ways that captivate the senses. Outside, the landscape design displays are a highlight. Leading landscape architects and designers transform the gardens into conceptual masterpieces, offering visitors a glimpse of the latest trends in garden innovation and sustainable living. From rooftop gardens to vertical walls and lush backyard oases, the displays encourage creative ideas for making the most of every green space. No matter how big or small. But the show isn't just for admiring, it's also for learning and engaging. Interactive workshops, live demonstrations, and gardening talks provide a hands-on experience for visitors of all ages. Kids can get their hands dirty in planting activities, while adults discover tips from industry experts on growing vibrant gardens and sustainable practices. Of course, no event is complete without delicious food and drink. The show offers a wide range of culinary delights, from gourmet street food to artisan coffee. Visitors can relax and enjoy their meals amidst the serene garden settings, a true feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. As the sun sets, the gardens take on a magical glow with the Gardens by Twilight event. Illuminated displays and live music create an enchanting atmosphere, making it the perfect way to experience the show in a whole new light. The Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show isn't just an event, it's an experience. Whether you're here to marvel at the artistry, pick up gardening tips, or simply bask in the beauty of nature, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So whether you're a seasoned gardener, an aspiring florist, or someone who simply loves the outdoors, mark your calendar for this unmissable event. The Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show awaits, ready to inspire, delight, and celebrate the wonders of nature.